Welcome back. Today we are going to be working on executing GA and GB PLL algorithms. Now there's also a GC and GD, but since they are much different algorithms, I put them in a separate video. If you'd like to view those, you can visit my page. Before I show you the algorithms, let's go over identifying all the G perms so that you don't accidentally execute the wrong one. So here we have GA, GB, GC, and GD. You can identify G perms because there is one block that is not touching the headlights, and then the rest has no two of the same color next to each other. Also, all four have headlights, as you can see. So, GA is when the block is here on the top right, but on the side. GB is when the block has been rotated, so it's on the top left. GC, well, I know the color scheme is weird on this cube, but it's still GC. GC is when it's on the side and on the top left. And then GD is just GC moved over one, so it's top right. Alright, so today we're going to be going over GA and GB. These actually have very similar algorithms. They're not mirrors of each other. You could do a mirror of it, but it would just be more difficult to execute. These are, in my opinion, the two hardest PLL algorithms, but you're going to learn them today, so I'm going to show you how to do them. So, in essence, the algorithm for GA is a few moves, then we do a U wide, which includes this middle layer, then a few moves, then we'll move it back and just fix the cube, and then we'll be done. So, here's the algorithm. R2, U wide, R prime, U, R prime, U prime, R, U wide prime, R2, F prime, U, F. You can also turn it a little bit for that last one. So when you have this F2L pair here, I kind of turn it a little bit as I put the last one in, and then just fix the AUF. So, to review, just R2, U wide, a few moves, then put in the F2L pair. So that's GA. Now we'll move to GB. So this is surprisingly like GA, but instead you will start with the headlights in the back. So start with the block right here in front of you. F prime, U prime, F, R2, U wide, R prime, U, R, U prime, R, U wide prime, R2. Then you can fix the AOF. So notice after you do the U wide, the moves are actually different than GA, so don't just assume that they are the same. See, before, we just went down, but now we do another up, then we fix the cube. If you plan on memorizing these algorithms, please watch the video a few times so you can remember the steps. If you want to learn more algorithms, please view my page. I have all of the PLL cases. I hope this video helped you, and good luck.